Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who, and I am back, baby, with another video. Whoa, and I got some lights to go. About to go in red. Govee, that's what I said. About to red light up all over. I done came down, man. Hope I don't get pulled over. Red, black, and blue. God bless you. It's your boy Q, and I'm coming straight at you with some LED lights. That's what I said. Let me stop freestyling. Go ahead and install. What's up, everybody, man? It's your boy Q. You know who, back. Thank you for keeping with me today. Got an install video for that day, and that's gonna bring me straight to today's sponsor, excuse me, of today's video, which is Govee. So Govee is new with the LED lighting industry area, and their LED lights are very, very popular. You probably see them all over the place. So I got it right here, Govee. So they sponsored me these lights to go ahead and put in red. I've never been a fan of the LED light strip because most require wiring. These do not, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Actually, these come with a 12 volt, I believe, right? Yeah, 12 volt, you just plug straight into your 12 volt, and you don't have to go in and tap in and do any wiring, nothing like that. You know, you just kind of place it where you want to and plug it in, and all that control with the app and all that. So we'll get into that. Again, shout out to Govee for sponsoring today's video and sending this over to me. I'm excited to get these put in, I'm not gonna lie. Just try to keep all the wires hidden. I'm gonna do my best, and not the best when it comes to this stuff. But if I can do it, y'all can do it. I'm just a regular person, don't really know anything about all this stuff. So I'm gonna show y'all what we got in the box first. Let's check it out. All right, so what you got in your package, you get your LED strips here. I believe it's 4 of them. You get I guess it's like a key fob type thing. I'm not sure what this is. I think it's for the, I'm not sure. I think it's something for your keychain. You get some screws, and you get a lot of zip ties up there, as you can see. To zip tie stuff down, you get your manual, things like that. So pretty simple. And then you get a like it, share it, like join the Govee family, Govee family, excuse me, 1 year extended warranty, things like that. So not much in here actually, which is cool. That means it's simple. When you ain't got a lot of parts, that means it's very, very simple. Now they do a lot. Now to wire this, go ahead and take all this stuff out. I'm gonna take all these mats out because I'm gonna need them. I think I'm gonna plug mine back here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. I don't know, we'll see. Let me pull all these out because I'm gonna need to move these. All right, guys, so I got everything laid out here. I'm trying to figure out how I want to lay it out. Since I want my power plug in the back, I don't know how that's gonna work. I might have to put it in the front and move my camera up to the, I'm gonna have to move my camera, which is down there, up to here, and then put that there. I really want to run to the back, but looking at the instructions, I got it laid out here for y'all. Y'all can see your 2 non-connecting pieces are gonna go to the front left, front right, and then you wire off of that. So front driver side, back driver side, passenger rear, passenger front is how it's gonna go. Okay, guys, so I got them plugged up just to make sure everything works, and they do work. So here's the remote and how you control it. This is your power button. So power, turn it off and on, that button there. That's how you turn them on. Now they're back on. And then this second button here is gonna be the color. So you can choose which color you want by pressing your second button there. And I probably should, let me help y'all out just so y'all can see. There we go. Press the button, it's gonna change your color. I think it's 7 different colors. And then this part here is your music sync. So you see, as my voice is talking, so is the lights. They're responding with the same rhythm of my voice. So that's cool. You can actually link it to your music, and also it controls the brightness. So if you hold it, it goes up, or change the pattern. There you go. If you hold the 3rd button, it changes the brightness, and they get brighter and brighter and brighter and brighter and back dim. Okay. So it get pretty bright. I'm leaving about right there. Let's do 3rd setting. Boom, right there. So anyway, so power, color, and you want the music activated, the type of style you want flashing, but also all this in the app as well. I'm probably gonna mostly use it through the app, but I just wanted to see if it worked. And it just plugs in here, and here's your button you press. There's your power button, so you have to press this to turn them on. Let's go ahead and get started, and I'll catch y'all in a second. All right, guys, I am done, and as you can see, it is nighttime outside now. I lost daylight very quick, but I'm gonna try to go ahead and show y'all how I wired this thing, man. Hopefully y'all can see. So here's my first one on the driver's side. The metal strip underneath, like a metal plate underneath here that you can stick it on. My cord is running right there. I'm uncomfortable with that because 1, I use my parking brake sometimes, and 2, it's just kind of in the way of the pedal, but I had to fix that later. So then I bought that cord here, ran it all the way down here. So if you got an F-150, you can easily stick it down in this carpet area here, and this here just pulls up. So try to see if I can show y'all this. Here, this just pulls up, and it comes up pretty easy, you can see there. And I just ran the cord, which is right here, all the way underneath there, and it just snaps back. Look, it just snaps back in place. You're not gonna break it. Trust me, I was scared too when I was messing with it. I was like, man, I'm gonna break it. But it just snaps back in place. And look, like that, it is back in place, as y'all can see. So I ran that cord all the way back to here. As you can see, boom, comes out there, which is still kind of tucked away. Can't really see it. I'm actually moving it more now as we speak. Boom, back there. So then that leads me to here. Now in the back, I had a lot of trouble trying to mount it. So actually they're just sitting on the floor. I know a lot of you guys are like, what, Q, sit on the floor? You know, passengers may kick it. So they're not gonna kick it. I actually got it, well, one, I don't have a lot of passengers. And two, I got it pushed pretty far back in there. It may not look like it to y'all, but I sat back here and my feet stopped like here. And I got a size 13 shoe and I'm 6'2". So same on the other side. Bought it over here, and then the cord runs from there, see it down there, right there, to up through the center console and comes out up there. And I'll show you on the front. That's the only thing I didn't like the way the power supply and the thing you control the function with is split. It's on the same like cord, so it's hard to separate the two from each other. Kind of hard to explain, but I'll show y'all. And so basically those two cords connect and they split off. So my other cord is coming from, I'll show you on the front, but it's coming basically right down here. Hopefully y'all can see it there. It comes down here, down to the bottom right there, which leads to the other strip. Again, this strip is on the floor, and the reason it's on the floor is because there was nothing to stick it to underneath the seats. Everything under there is like cloth, like a seat material, so it's hard to stick it to anything. It's not gonna stick. And again, they give you zip ties. So here's the passenger side. Actually, let me pull this over a bit. So there's the passenger side, and honestly, like I said, there's a lot of space there. You're not gonna be able to see it. And then I brought the cord, whoops, sorry, brought the cord here and ran it back down the side panel there. And again, these things here, I ran it here, and we can tuck that in just a little bit more so you can see there. And then once again, this here just clips in place. I didn't put it down, so now it's down. They clip in place, boom. Here's where I had an issue. I couldn't get this cord tucked. Oh, there we go, never mind. I can probably go back. I couldn't get this part of the cord right there tucked. Sorry, this is for my camera. This is not for the lights. I couldn't get it tucked right here in this space, but I did get it tucked back there. And then it goes up to here. And I got it attached to this plastic thingy right there, this thing. And then it's underneath there. And then as far as the power supply part of it that I didn't like is here. So right there, as you can see. So there's the cord, it runs all the way down. See here, guys? Let me try to show this y'all. Here it is, there. So that runs down to the passenger side for the backlight. And then this one comes up from the rear passenger through that space here. And then, which leads you to your supply here, which is where I have mine at. That's the button. And then I have my little other mount, the mount thing to control everything right here. I haven't mounted it yet. I'm actually gonna mount it right here on the side. So let me go ahead and do that really quick. All right, so there it is. I have it mounted right there so I can touch it. I don't like this here. This is kind of sloppy to me, trying to hide this cord, but I could not figure out how to hide it without like going through the glove compartment, honestly, man. I'm gonna be sitting here, I'll be able to see it. You can't really see it. You can see this part, but the passengers, you can't see it. But on this side, you definitely can see everything, the wires exposed. But at this point, man, it is what it is. It looks dope. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how it works really quick. The key does have a function, a little keychain thing they give you here. If you press A, that's going to be to turn the strip on and off. So let's do it. So the strip is off, strip is on. The B is gonna be for the brightness. Super quick, super easy. Off, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, bright. All right, and then C is gonna be the color. Easily switch the color. I like the blue, looks good. Again, I think there's 7 colors. D is gonna be sync with music mode. So music mode is pretty cool. So watch, if I press music mode, it basically flashes to the music. So there is a microphone on your little device here. Not sure if it's, whoops, sorry, hold on. Not sure if it's gonna show. There's a microphone. See that little dot right there? There's that little dot. So that actually I just blinded myself. I tried to turn the camera around, turn the light around. That is actually a microphone, so it's sensitive to my voice. So as my voice is talking right now, you see that the lights are going with my voice. So when you play your music, it's gonna actually sync with the music, which is super cool. And I just tested it out, man. It's super dope. It gives the truck it's just cool. This is cool, I'm not gonna lie. So that's pretty cool. They give you 3 ways to control it. And I'm about to show, so the first way via the keychain, or second. The other way is via the device I wired to the side, the little device here. I wired there. And then the third way is through your app, which I probably will use the most. And the app is pretty easy to use, man. You have to make sure it's close to sync with the LED. So you can do music. You can control, so sync it to my voice again, you control the rhythm. Like if I say, ah, you see, ah. Or you control like rolling, which is like another type of movement. Ah, it's cool. Or you can just choose color, you know, whatever color you want here. And you can see that the colors are changing as I change them. You also can choose scenes if you want date night. Look at that, guys. Man, look, they looking out for y'all. They got y'all covered. They have a date night mode, candlelight, romantic, and I think these just fade over time, not really letting them do their thing. You got energetic, probably like a little brighter. See how it's switching more rapidly, the colors? And yeah, this app is cool. It basically has everything for you right here. And again, you go back to music. Very easy to use to control everything through the app if you wanted to. So 3 ways to control everything, man. That's pretty dope. I probably will use my phone more than anything. And so let me go ahead and show y'all the music really quick. I just think this is so cool. Okay, guys, I'm in the truck and I'm gonna turn the light out because it's dark in here. I don't want y'all to really see me. I want y'all to see the music thing. So watch this. So we got our radio on. I'm gonna go ahead and play so y'all can see exactly what happens. Let's watch this. So that was the music, man. That is super dope. Oh, that is cool. Hey, oh, hey, oh, hey, oh, hey, oh, hey. Nah, I'm telling y'all, man, for some reason, this little light kit, it get me so hyped. It probably get old, but that is, oh, that's just so cool. So just having the music play while you do it, man. Y'all want me to run that back? Nah, I ain't gonna run it back. But anyway, oh, there we go. Lifestyle Club's on. So guys, this thing is only 24 bucks. So I'm gonna give y'all the link to Govee, and I think it links you to Amazon. I think you actually buy from Amazon, man. But this thing is cool. Just for 20 bucks, you can change the whole look of the interior of your truck. One key, you see the lights through my tent. Getting a little bit. I would play some better music for y'all, but you know, we gotta use the YouTube copyrighted stuff, man. Yeah.